Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Beverly. On my channel I focus on fashion and styling videos. Today I've got a Zara haul for you guys, so let's get straight into this video. So as of recent, I haven't really been shopping at Zara for a very long time. This is just because I just don't think Zara is kind of catering to my aesthetic. I don't know why, to be honest with you. A lot of items that I see in Zara sometimes just not for me. I just don't like it. So I haven't shopped from Zara for a very long time. I can actually say I haven't shopped from Zara for like 8 months at the moment, which is really odd for me because normally I just pop into their store, find something, maybe sometimes it's one item or something, but recently nothing. As you all know, spring and summer is coming up soon. In fact, it's right next door, so I thought I'll look at some of the items that they have available at the moment. Again, it was really a hit and miss for me. Not everything I picked up here I love, but I do like some of them, and some of them I'm definitely keeping. So let me start with the first item that I absolutely love, and I'm definitely going to keep this. So the first item is this blazer. I love this blazer. I tend to buy most of my blazers from Zara only because sometimes I do think they have the oversized look and it looks really nice on. At times it's not worth the price, but lucky for me I picked this up on sale. This was £60. I don't think it was part of the winter sale. I think this is a completely different sales where they're just reducing this type of blazer. What I love about this is just the checkered patterns. I love this so much. I do have something similar, but it's slightly lighter. It's not as bold as this, which I really like. I love the red. I just love how much the red stands out. That's why I'm going to keep this. I picked it up in the largest size I could find because I love oversized stuff. The one that I have that looks similar to this, I picked it up during the pandemic, and that is more of a fitted blazer, more of a fitted tailored blazer which I wear to work. However, for non-work items, I do like my blazers to be very oversized. So that's why I picked this up, and that's why I'll be keeping it. If you are interested in this, make sure you grab it as soon as possible.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
Okay guys, so let's move on to the next item. The next item is also another item that I really love. I picked up this sweatshirt from Zara. I love the colours, I love everything about this sweatshirt. The quality is really good, surprisingly. This was £35 and I think it's definitely worth it. The reason why I picked this up because last year I saw a similar look from Mango and I wanted it so badly. Basically it was similar to this. It was exactly like this, actually, not similar. So it was a bumblebee colour which I really wanted badly. Never got my hands on it, and it was the same price as well, so I'm glad I picked this up when it came to Zara. Of course, the Mango one was very plain, no text on it. Zara, they love their licensed stuff, so I'm not surprised there's some sort of text here. So this is Harvard University. I don't mind it, doesn't look cheap, I think it still looks trendy. I'm going to pair this with some blue jeans. This is something I can wear during any season, to be honest with you. It really doesn't matter whether spring or summer is coming up soon. Of course I can't wear it during summer, but if you live in London, it gets cold during every season. And I'll say pick this up if you really like it because it is getting sold up very quickly. I sized up because, again, I love the oversized look. It does come in different colours as well, so different colours that represent different universities from America. I picked this one up because I prefer this colour compared to the others. They do have a license section just dedicated to American universities. So I've picked up a dress that I really want to show you guys because I really like this. If you look at the bottom has like a balloon skirt. This was out last year as well, so this is nothing new. I guess it's going to continue this year. Last year I wasn't really into that look because I just didn't think it would suit me. I still don't know if it really suits me or whether it's my style. I think something like this always looks good on girls that are actually tall. This type of denim is also in fashion. This colour of denim, should I say. I don't know how I feel about this colour of denim. I don't know if it suits me. I just don't like black denim being used as a dress or a t-shirt, for it to be light blue or dark blue, but I'll give it a go. I just wanted to try it out because I can tell that this colour of denim is definitely in fashion. Every store has incorporated it into their spring and summer wear, so I also wanted to jump on that trend. I will say that the fitting for this is also really poor, and I also remember why I don't like shopping from Zara. Their sizes are just always off. You always have to try different sizes before you can get your perfect size. So for example, for me personally, I've had to size up, but on certain parts of me it's just is really, really big. This will definitely be going back due to the sizing issue. This is something that I'll definitely pair with heels. I think it would look really, really nice with heels. You can also wear tights underneath, like pattern tights or very, very transparent tights as well, which would elevate the look. I would say pair this with black heels, but I do not have black heels, so I am going to pair this with some silver heels that I have that I think will elevate the look. Let me know what you think about this. I think this is a really good quality, and for the price is also really good as well. So this was £45. I was really hoping that this would look nice on me. I do think it looks nice on me. I'm just not comfortable in it, because this is something I'll definitely like to wear during spring and summer when I'm going out, but just how it looks on me and the sizing and everything, the cuts and everything, it just has to go back due to that reason. Let me know if you pick it up, and let me know what you also think about this.
Nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes.
Okay guys, so I picked up another dress as well. I really, really like this. This is so my style. I love this so much. I love the fact that you can layer this. So for example, you can wear different stuff inside it. Even though it's still cold, you can wear a turtleneck or even a shirt, and that's how I plan to style this. I think this is something that of course you can wear during spring and summer without the turtleneck or anything inside it, because it looks really, really nice by itself. It is very long. I don't know how some people feel about that. I love it. I love the fact that the bottom bit is actually an A-line skirt or an A-line shape, which I really like. And the zip is not just for show. You can really zip it down and up, which I wouldn't advise you to. I think it should just be zipped up. This is something, I don't know, I'm struggling with the size, because I do think that on the top area, especially the bust area, it can be a bit tight in my opinion. But apart from that, there's nothing really bad to say about this. I'll say stick to your size if you're interested. This was really, really affordable. I say that, then I look at the price and I'm like, is that really affordable? But this was £40. I don't know if it was really affordable or it's okay. And also bear in mind that basically office wear is back in, and I'm happy about that. I think it looks nice. I think you can dress up to make it look very, very fun. This is something that I wouldn't wear this with heels. I would actually wear this with trainers, because I am a streetwear girl and I really think this looks really nice with just really nice trainers. So that's what I will do. For the purpose of this video, I might just wear heels just to dress up a bit for you guys. But make sure you grab this if you like it.
Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than.
Okay guys, so this is the last clothing item that I'm going to show you guys. I don't know what you call these. This was in fashion last year summer as well, and I really wanted one so badly, but I just don't know if it'll suit me, because sometimes I feel like, does it suit short people? I don't know. I'm not even that short. Sometimes I feel like, would it actually suit an average height person rather than tall girls? I like it and I do think it suits me. What I will say about it, I just don't think Zara is the right place for me to get it from. I've had to size up 4 sizes and I still feel like, I don't know. I honestly don't know how I feel about this. I might be returning it as well, because I also just don't know how I would wear it, and I don't know if it fits with my everyday aesthetic. So I'm thinking about it. But then again, I know that if I return it, I'm going to regret it. But then I would rather pick up from a different store where I'll be able to pick up my size, because the shape of it is just weird. And I feel like that's one thing about Zara, that even as their size gets bigger, how they cut the material always feels a bit off and a bit odd on me. So for that reason, I most likely will return this, but I'll continue to play around a bit in my wardrobe first before I make a decision. Okay guys, so for the last item is actually an accessory, and I should have probably left it on the packaging, but I was too excited, so I just put it on my bag and I thought, you know what, I'll show you guys. As you all know, key charms are so in fashion right now for bags. This is, in my opinion, influenced by the Coach key rings, and also I feel like this is something Loewe will do rather than Zara or Coach. Coach's ones are very playful and very non-serious. It's playful and very fruity, whereas this is very Loewe, because they've been playing around with their tomatoes and lettuce. The only thing that seems a bit odd about this is their egg. If you have this bag, I'll say that the keyring does not actually fit around the handle of this bag, so I had to improvise a bit. The keyring actually comes with this stringy thing which kind of looks like shoelaces. I didn't really like it, so I removed it and untangled it and everything and put it around my bag. Create a little ring around the bag, then I was able to connect the keyring to it so that it can look like this, and I absolutely love it. I do think if you're able to make the bag your own, add stuff to it to make it more interesting and bring it a bit of life, then make sure you do it. Of course, if this was Loewe, they would probably charge more than what I paid for. This was £22 and I think it's definitely worth it. They have other key rings, but the other ones, in my opinion, slightly boring and a bit too old school for me. But this is very trendy and very fun. I love this so much. I think it's really worth it. But make sure you grab this quickly because this one is so popular. If you want the bag is still available. I'll put that in the description box below. Alright everyone, that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Really hope that you enjoyed this Zara haul. Let me know what you liked about this haul. As you all know, I'm close to reaching 500. I think I need 3 more subscribers, could be wrong. But please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, press the like button and leave a comment below. Once again, thank you for watching my video and see you soon. Bye bye.